actually think that's the grossest thing we've ever seen on the show, straight up.
Microscope, microscope, microscope show.
Microscope, microscope, microscope show. Microscope,
Brent,
Yeah.
you know what this means?
We're gonna play doctor later tonight, or
No.
oh, are we gonna play police officer, drug dealer?
Drug frisk? No.
What's going on here today?
Okay. We have a leftover sandwich from a week ago.
A week ago.
And it's not even moldy or anything.
Okay.
And I have some pizza from last night. It's not
Even moldy.
It's not even moldy.
But
But I have this vegan nacho cheese dip
And
from like a month or two ago.
and
It's moldy.
Okay.
We'll save that for last.
Okay, we're saving the mold for last.
Okay, this is simply
And by last we mean go to the Patreon.
this
No,
is
I'm just kidding.
some pizza. It's a weird super thick pizza.
It's that kind of focaccia kind of
It's
stuff.
like a focaccia pizza.
Okay.
This guy went into his favorite pizza restaurant,
Looks like a wasp.
right? He's been going there for years. He goes, "Hey guys, how you doing?" And they go, "Who are you?" And he says, "You don't remember me?" You know what they said?
A focaccia.
I forgot you.
A focaccia.
I forgot you. Okay, well this is boring, huh?
Well, look. Oh wait. Oh,
All right, so here's the bread.
Here's inside the bread.
Pizza. Here's
oh, look like a
It
Cocteau,
kind of not
like a
bad.
Cocteau Twins album.
It kind of looks good.
To me, it looks like a Cocteau Twins.
There's other bands that don't. Okay.
It looks like earwax or something. It looks like inside your dog's ear.
It looks like inside where an
Ew.
insect.
Look,
would
it's
live.
juicy. Ew, it's juicy.
It is
Is
juicy.
it juicy? Why is it juicy? Why is the juice loose all of a sudden?
The juice is loose. Okay, let's look at the crust.
Okay, grip tape
See,
style.
I can't tell if it's
grip tape
appetizing or not. I don't.
No, I mean this is because I'm just thinking this is like a cheesy
Think...
bread.
Oh, look, there's fibers.
Yeah, there's fibers. This is what you do. You know what you do? You say, "Oh, excuse me, waiter. There's a hair in my food here." And you have to use the microphone.
He's like, I don't see anything. Hold on. Let me just look on the screen
you
here.
put the gloves on first.
Yeah,
and
yeah. Hold on, sir. Let me just. As you can see, there's a.
All right, let's move on.
Look, as you can see,
Look, see, there's a
there's
hair.
a fiber.
Look at that glistening.
I'm so sorry, sir. Let me just comp your entire meal.
All right, look at that.
There's a piece of like ham or something. Looks like
This
it.
glistening stuff.
By the way, I didn't eat this piece. Oh, look at that. That's what we're looking at. It's a piece of meat.
Oh, it's salty. Okay,
That's a crispy piece of meat.
what else you got?
Look at that.
You know,
Another piece of pizza.
we don't need
Oh,
that.
you know what? Let's look at this. It's got a little bit of meat.
Burnt.
This is like some kind of like. What's that meat that's like not ham, but it's pig and it's like.
Prosciutto.
There it is. That's the prosciutto. Kind of looks like an orange. We should do a game where like you're not looking.
Yes.
I zoom in on
Love
something and I'm like,
Love it.
What
you know
is
what?
it?
I love it.
what is it?
And
All
you know
right.
what? I don't even know what's in this box, so maybe we should do it right now.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay, I'm just gonna close my eyes.
This will be blocked from your view, so you don't have to like worry about.
Okay. Should I look now?
Look now.
Huh. What is it?
I mean,
It looks like
what does it look
looks-
like? Because it actually
looks-
looks like what it is.
It looks like honey, like something like honeycomb or something. You know what I mean? It looks like
It
some
looks
sort
like what it is.
of, looks like a honeycomb kind
Yeah,
of
but would you
situation.
see honeycombs with those bits in there?
No.
What would you see with those bits with this color?
That looks kind of oily or something.
you're on it. You're
Solidified
on it.
oil. Hold on.
Solidified?
It's a soup. Is it a soup of sorts?
It
Don't-
is. Italian dressing.
Oh, interesting.
Close your eyes.
Oh, there's more.
Close your eyes.
Oh, okay.
Okay, look.
Oh gosh, those look like little egg sacs. I mean, that's got to be cheese, I guess, right? Is this another pizza? Oh no, it's some sort of salad of sorts, is it
Those are
cheese?
ant eggs.
Yeah, they
This
look
is
like
an
that.
ant
Huh?
nest.
And those are That's some sort of kale or something, or lettuce, or spinach or something.
Move up this way.
Spinach.
Last week's panini. Oh, it's gross. Ugh. My friend, you know, he ate half the panini, brought it home, and then he leaves town.
Okay.
And then it's like...
And now for the main event, the mold.
I wonder what percentage of food that people take home in those doggy boxes
Wait, should we?
get eaten. It mostly gets thrown out.
Oh.
I would say the majority
I do.
does not
No,
go
wait, hold
left.
on a second. Okay, well, look, we had all this
Look,
food.
the pizza and the panini wasn't great. Tell you what. What if I Q-tipped my ear and then we look at the Q-tip?
We could do that, but what about floss your teeth and look at that with the gunk that you get out between your teeth?
Well, you know what? I happened to just go to the dentist today, so it might not be too much gunk in there.
Well, but you did eat before we did this, so.
Okay. Well,
In
look,
fact,
I already got this out. Let's just roll with this.
All right.
And I don't think you're supposed to do this, right?
Not
They
really.
say, like, don't insert.
Oh, God, I can already tell.
There's nothing even on there.
No, I can see from here it's yellow.
Yeah, but it's not like...
Oh, you want gunk.
I want, like...
Oh, I think that would be interesting to look at. It's yellow. Oh, is that
there's
a hair?
not a lot of...
There's a hair. I mean, that's interesting, though. Look at that. Actually, the cotton swab itself is interesting, you know?
Yeah.
Actually, it is interesting because look at how the wax is on it.
I want to go deeper on my ear now. I'd want to get something... You know what I mean? I want to get something real
Wait,
good out
what
of
is
there.
that? What was that black thing?
Where?
Right there.
Just one of those frogs in my skull that we like to find.
You want to go really deep?
Let me try once more.
Oh, man. Be careful.
The other ear.
Be careful. Be careful. He did both ears already, but be careful and stick it in deep.
I am going careful. Okay, I got more of a chunk out of there.
Oh.
Oh,
Get that a little more sharp.
I want to get some real wax going.
I know, like really deep.
Okay, well that wasn't.
Man, you know what I want to
This
see?
this.
I'll go deep. And
Oh, Trevor.
Wait, Trevor. Trevor's
Trevor.
I bet I could get some gross stuff.
own? Trevor's own?
I don't know.
Trevor's
Trevor,
own.
just don't go too deep.
Trevor's own.
And you have
Be
to-
careful.
You have to glove it, right?
Well, get in there.
Put it on down.
There, that's it.
Oh, that is kind of.
Okay, Trevor went a little deeper than
That's
us.
Trevor's own. It's a little bit of Trevor's own.
Dude, there's fibers in there, and there's like a dog hair.
Look at the napkin in the background. It's kind of cool.
Well, here we're looking at Trevor's earwax. Well, okay.
Okay, now, Doug, when you do this, don't go like this. You know what I mean? Like just, very slowly put it into your teeth, and then very slowly take it out.
I was just at the dentist today. Okay.
I know. That
And I
doesn't-
flossed after the dentist.
Don't
'cause
matter.
They got me.
don't matter.
She got me on the floss.
You went to that vegan Mexican place right before here, and it undid everything you did today.
I mean, when you come back from the dentist, and they got the teeth so clean that there's
Nothing
just-
gets stuck in there.
There's big spaces in between
Yeah,
each tooth.
spaces.
If this feels so good, you can just breathe.
Yeah, I kind of hear that. Do you want to try this, Trevor?
Well, wait. I mean, there's something.
Oh yeah.
The scope might have caught something here.
Ooh. Ooh, that's true in between. That actually almost makes me want to throw up.
There's nothing there.
No, but there's something gross about that to me. That little wet spot of yellow or whatever it was. It's kind of grody, actually.
Let me go digging for gold.
You going bottom teeth? Bottom will get you.
Those are back molars.
Get those bottom teeth going.
There's just nothing there. Here we go.
Oh, Oh. That's kind of sick. Is that blood?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look what you made me do.
Oh, God, that is actually gross. That is actually... I actually think that's the grossest thing we've ever seen on the show, straight up.
It's just a little... If you
For
could
some-
see it with the naked eye, it's...
For some reason, that makes
it's
me...
just
I don't get queasy over stuff, but for some reason, that's
Look at
just
that. You want it?
sickening to me. Ugh. 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 Oh, I almost... Honestly, I don't get grossed out by
You
stuff.
get a vom?
I almost don't get grossed out by stuff. For some reason, that is so sick to me. It's like this slimy thing that was in your teeth. Ugh. Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
Come on, barf.
Well, no, I gotta get desensitized.
Come on, barf, Brent. Well, that's...
No, I'm just kidding. What if I did? Did that seem like real for a second? It's like a split second. You thought that was it?
Okay, well...
That was
know what?
gross. And guess what? You got
This show is just an experimental show. Sometimes
you got your time's worth on that
sometimes
one.
we find good stuff. Sometimes we find okay stuff, but we're gonna keep looking.
But sometimes we find sickening stuff.
And
that make
every-
you almost throw up.
Week, we're gonna keep looking closer and closer, and just like our channel or subscribe it or
Pass it around. Share it.
you know
You know
if
what?
you like it.
Get the
And if you
buzz
want to
going.
go real deep, get on the Patreon page. That's right, Brent. Patreon.com/Microscope Show. Subscribe to that, and you'll get bonus
You get bonus content.
material. Bonus content. We're zooming in further than ever.
Microscope, microscope, microscope show.
Microscope.